Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I will show you guys on how to make a foundation base become very glowy for oily skin type like me without using any oil, only matte products. So I hate to put oil on my skin. I put oil at night because oily face do need oil. So instead we are going to do another way on how to make your face look very dewy without using any dewy primer or foundation, only matte products. So let's get started.
First, I will set my face with a setting spray from GERARD Cosmetics. This is a trick to hold your makeup last longer for oily skin type. Then I will be mixing my Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer with a liquid illuminator. Make sure you use an illuminator that is not sticky and will dry up matte. By mixing these two, it won't affect the longevity and also the effectiveness of your primer, so you don't need to use a dewy or glowy primer. You can also use your powder highlighter, just scratch a bit of it and mix it with your primer. Now I'll put another layer of the illuminator on the areas that I want it to glow. As you can see, I am actually layering my highlighter.
No other eyes reveal. No other eyes reveal.
And then I set it with a powder highlighter on the areas where I have applied the illuminator, the same way you set your face with a powder, but don't use too much. Now I will apply my foundation. I am using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Grab this thing if you're an oily skin type like me. I recommend using a beauty blender than a brush because it has a smoother finish. After done with the foundation, I will apply my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I don't like to put it too much of it, so I'm just using it to brighten up my face a bit. And blend it with the same beauty blender. Then again, apply another layer of the same liquid illuminator at the same area that I applied before. So by layering this liquid illuminator, you can actually enhance your highlighter after this, and your face will look more dewy and glowy. Can you see I'm glowy already? Hello there! And I will set the rest of my face by using a loose powder. This is the MERCIER loose powder, and as you can see, I am applying with the same damp beauty blender that I've used to apply my foundation and everything else. By using the same damp beauty blender, this will also lock the powder onto your face, so you can stay matte all day without shine. And then I will wipe the excess with a brush. Now I will contour my face using the NARS Contour Blush Palette. I'm sorry, I'm not sure what shade I'm using it. Now I will bronze my face to warm up a little bit by using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. God, this smells good like chocolate. Putting my blush from NARS, and this is the NARS Orgasm shade. I broke it already. Love this blush so much. It is so subtle, perfect for everyone at any time. And the glitter on it doesn't emphasize your texture, so it's good. Now I will set my face again with the same setting spray I used before. So while your face is still wet, apply your powder highlighter on the same areas you applied your liquid illuminator before, and set it again with a setting spray to lock it, and you're actually done. By putting layers of highlighter before, it will enhance your highlighter more, just like I said it, and you will glow before you know it. Okay, we're not done yet. I forgot to put my lipstick on. So I'm using this MAC Bullet lipstick. I love it so much. This is in the shade Velvet Teddy. So now we are done.
So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like it, and do subscribe to my channel. So this is how I do my look, and if you want a tutorial of my eyes, you need to wait for my next video, which is going to come up soon. So that's it. Enjoy, and thank you for watching. Bye. I love you all.